Hello, HeroLink200 here, so I haven't gotten into a while. I'm going to be unboxing this. My Halo Reach Special Edition 360. Yes. I figure I'll do this before I post any videos of me playing it. So, what does it come with? Stupid new autofocus. Alright, I'll just dim them off. Alright, 360. 250 gigabyte. Wireless controller, headset, Wi-Fi capability, AV jacks, and Xbox Live. That's right, because when I got this, they were running a deal for a free month of Xbox Live Gold Edition. And also, it came with, I think it was like a 2-day free pass for it. And yes, I have already opened it and have been playing it. So, what's around the other sides? It's Kinect ready! All the same stuff, only this time it gives you a profile view and a front view, two Reach controllers, 1-year limited warranty console, comes with Halo Reach, Xbox Live, E? Huh? Huh, I never saw that before. Oh! Give me a sec. Sorry about that. Windows Media Center. Ooh, extender for Windows Media Center. Wi-Fi certified. HDMI, DVD, Dolby Digital, DTS. Alright, now let's see what's around the back. Another shot of the 360. On top, just as Halo Reach. On the other side, Xbox 360 Limited Edition, and some stuff I really don't care about. Now let's get to opening this thing. Are you ready? Right, opens awkwardly. Give me 1 sec, I don't have a tripod, so doing this shaky cam style. So I was too quick about making this video to actually find my tripod. Give me a sec. Yes, that's the way to my kitchen and my mom's, yeah, something. Yeah, well, that's what it's called. There we go. Now let's open. Here's the beast. Let's see, for recycling, some random Japanese stuff that I actually don't know yet. When I say yet, I mean possibly not for another 2 years. Let's take this out. Yes, I know, a lot of people have probably already done unboxing vids. Sorry about having it so close. Yes, the bottom one came out. Here we go, here's the beast. The UNSC logo. Can't really tell. Here, let me lay this on its side and see if you can see it better. Which you can. Now it's the UNSC logo. Property of UNSC, Section 1. Whatever that says. Barcode. And then in this little box here, this thing. Requirement, pretty much what the, here's what the 2 forward slashes say. Type colon, parenthesis, number PO 500 dash 80530, parenthesis, item, archive reader T4, 1S, 2M, 3I, 4X, 1, and 3I is circled. I don't know. Then you look up here, it says Reach Castle, Argent, and some random stuff and numbers. complies with MIL_STD. Yeah. 34X082FD. Hold on a sec. Front of the beast. Reach. And that stuff. Media reader. That's what that is. Then on the other side, pretty much the same thing that was on this side. Only, yeah, thing across instead of going down. Then on the back, we have all the gadgets and stuff where you plug into. Up here, vents. Down here, more vents. On the bottom, even more vents. Oh, but one thing I have to show you is this. Yes, that's how you get the hard drive on this one. Not sure if that's how you got it on the other ones too, but that is neat. But I can't pull it out for you. And the tag says 250 gigabyte. Well, that's enough of this. If I can get this thing back on. There. Alright. Now over back to here. Yes, there is the game. Piece of the game. It came in one of those things. Those 6 of things, which I didn't know where it went. Game case. Bungie, Microsoft, whatever. All the stuff that you need to know about it. A legend has been... Every legend has a beginning. Halo, Xbox.com, whatever. Alright. The 2 controllers. And just so you know that I did this thing, I'm not sure if that's where the headphones went, but I put them in there. Now give me a moment while I clean up. Okay, I am back. First off, headset. Just your standard headset, and to prove that I have used it, that is electrical tape around it, and it's green. Yes. Broke it. The UNSC logo. Can't really tell. Here, I'm gonna lay this on its side and see if you can see it better. Which you can. Now it's the UNSC logo. Property of UNSC, Section 1. Whatever that says. Barcode. We got mad at some different users, didn't mute them, so I threw it. At least I got it free, it's not like I spent money on it, so. Here's one of the 360 controllers. Reach with the same stuff that's running on the console. Property of UNSC. And a bunch of other stuff. Then around back to really prove that it is, there's a Nyko rechargeable battery. Have it in the other one too. Other one looks exactly the same. Oh, except for the fact that my little brother took the sticker off on the first one. And the ones you buy in the store actually don't have the sticker pointing. That don't actually have the sticker with the power, with the finger pointing to that. And that's pretty much it without gameplay. So next will be gameplay. Oh, I forgot to mention one more thing. US, that special edition console goes for $400. Yeah. I mean, it's worth it because you get, like, bonus armor and stuff, which, actually, I should probably show you, but I'll leave that for when I do a full review of the game. And yeah, the one that comes with Kinect is $300 US. Yeah, Kinect's considerably cheaper, and you can actually get another game or two for the 360, depending if they're used new and how popular. For the same price you get that, which only comes with one, and you get the headset, you get Kinect, you get all that stuff. And when I get Kinect, I'm doing a full review for it. It's going to be, I'd say, a few video length. I'm going to say it's probably going to be around like a few videos long, just because it's going to be epic. I mean, you don't even need a headset with it, unless maybe you're playing like Halo or something online, I don't know. But I know for just sending someone a message, you can record the sound through Kinect. I know it's supposed to be better than iToy, because it can actually tell who's in the foreground and background, and who's a player and who's not. Whereas the iToy, anyone can play. People just passing through when you're doing, say, almost clicking. No, when you're doing, say, the Kung Fu game, someone just walking past you can, like, kill off all the enemies, you know. But no, the other rate, I'd recommend getting this newer 360 because it is Kinect ready. I almost just said Natal. That's what it was when it was premiered first at E3. Can't talk now. Oh, whatever. But yeah, that's the new system with the new whole thing. It's everything. And a little glimpse into Halo Reach. I will have a full review for it later.